Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to today's video. So I have a really exciting announcement. I have recently been invited to join the Action Wobbles design team. So it's my very first design team. I'm so excited. So today I'm here to share a monthly challenge with you guys. So every month they put out a challenge with a theme. And if you join the Action Wobbles fan club, you can post your project and then be entered to win a baker's dozen of Action Wobbles. So I will have the link to the group in the description box down below. So yeah, I have three quick and simple cards to show you. Now, I am using digital papers and digital images from Miss Kate's Cuttables. That's one of the requirements for the design team. So you guys, I'm obsessed. I know I've seen Mary from Cards TV. If you missed it, we posted a collab video yesterday. I know I've seen her use the images before, and I've seen them, you know, every time I've gone into the Silhouette store, but I've never paid much attention to them. Guys, they are so adorable, and they're like 50 cents. So, and if you have a Silhouette, if you have a Brother Scan and Cut, if you have a Cricut, you can absolutely use the images in the paper. If you would like a tutorial on how I did the print and cut using my Silhouette portrait, let me know and I'll be happy to film that for you. So these were printed on Whisper White cardstock using my, I have a laser printer. That's what I use to print my stickers, and they turned out so pretty. Look at that. So cute. Look at that little bunny. Oh my word. So I'm going to show you three quick and simple cards today. So you're going to want to have your images, and then this is, I believe it's the Easter Fun paper pack. I think there are 16 sheets. I will have everything, like I said, linked down below, so you can check it all out, along with the coordinating blog post that will, for the Action Wobbles challenge blog. So I picked out this Argyle. There was some polka dots, there were some plaids, a floral. I think I had the floral right here. Let me see if I can find it. Here's one of the plaids. I had the floral, but I decided not to use it. I'm not sure where it went, but that's all right. So yeah, like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the first card. All of my cardstock is from Stampin' Up. For those of you who don't know, or you may be new, hello, welcome. I was actually a Stampin' Up demonstrator for, I think 4 years. I can never quite remember. But, so I have mostly Stampin' Up cardstock. I do use Hammermill cardstock for when I do Copic coloring. I'm going to use some adhesive from scrapbook.com to put in my card layers. I always put an inside card layer unless I'm using white as my card base. I just think it looks like it's, you know, you finishing the card off, and it gives you a place to write your sentiment. And I sell my cards, so if you're interested in any of the cards that you see today, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and put her inside. I'm not going to add a sentiment to this card because the front of the card, it has the sentiment on it. So this is a piece of pumpkin pie. And like I said, I'm going to use this really pretty Argyle. If you guys don't know, there are 4 patterns that I'm obsessed with. Argyle, Houndstooth, Argyle, Houndstooth, Damask, and plaid. So, obsessed. It's an obsession. I can't help it. And I printed the paper the exact same way. I just pulled it into Photoshop and picked out some patterns that I wanted, and then printed them off again on Whisper White cardstock. You could use any cardstock. I like the thickness of Whisper White when I'm cutting on my Silhouette, just because sometimes I have issues when it's a little thicker. I've cut through a couple of mats. The one thing you want to note about this adhesive is that it is very, very permanent. So you want to make sure that you are where you want to be before you push it down. Okay, attach it just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull off these backers. And then you just put it where you want it. And then, ta-da! How cute is that? So that is card number 1. So cute. Card number 2 is a little bit of a different size card for me. This is 5 by 10. And then I've cut it, I've cut it down to 5 by 10. And then I've scored it at 5. And then I have a piece of paper. Again, this is another plaid that I just printed onto Whisper White. It measures 4 3/4 square. So 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. And this is a piece of soft seafoam, I believe is what it's called, from Stampin' Up. And then I have this piece of Highland Heather that measures 2 by 4 3/4. Then I used the largest circle from the Stitched Shape Framelits from Stampin' Up to cut out this circle. It's going to go right here in the middle. And then I'm using this little cute little bunny image. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to attach this real quick. And the good thing about the Action Wobbles is that they will fold down flat for you to mail your cards. How cute! Oh my word. Okay. Last but not least, I have a piece of Blushing Bride that's 4 1/4 by 11. I've scored it at 5 1/2. This is my most favorite card base. I love portrait style cards. Oh, where's my Whisper White for the inside? Measures 4 by 5 1/4. I just realized I didn't cut one for that other card, so I'll have to cut one and add it later. You could stamp sentiments with these if you wanted to, but I didn't. I kind of like no stamping cards. You guys know that. I will actually have some for you on Friday using the Doodlebug Hoppy Easter collection. So let me know down in the comments down below if you've ever used an Action Wobble, and let me know which of these cards is your favorite. These, like I said, these images are adorable, and I will have Miss Kate's website linked down below. I believe you have until April 30th, the last day of the month, to get your project posted over in the Action Wobbles fan group. So make sure you do that. And I will definitely be doing future giveaways. Oh no. Remember how I told you if it's stuck, it's stuck? Oh no. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull up this paper. It's been a while since I've made a mistake. Crafting in real life. That's what I always say, people. Crafting in real life on this channel. Okay, so I'm just going to go back over it with adhesive. Okay, let's try that again, Misty. Obviously, that didn't work. There we go. So here I am mixing patterns. The easiest way to do that, and I have a video here on my channel, is to pick a bold pattern and then pick one that is a little bit more, so you want like a small, a medium, and a large if you're gonna mix 3 patterns. So here my boldest pattern is my Argyle, and then this is a medium pattern. And then I'm using a piece of Pool Party as both of my layers to kind of break it up just a little bit. So we get this added. I apologize if you can hear some noise, but my neighbors are getting new windows, and I thought they finished yesterday, but obviously they did not. Okay, then I have this really cute bunny image from the other card, and then I'm going to go ahead and adhere this with, come on now, what is your problem? How cute. So let me show you all 3 cards again. So here's our first one. Start inside. And then we have card number 2. It's so cute. And then card number 3. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited for this new adventure, and I hope that you will come along. Like I said, I will have links to Miss Kate's Cuttable store down below. She has digital stuff on her website, but she also has a store on Amazon where you can get physical paper. So like they have paper packs, they have die cut packs, and it's all so stinking adorable. And then like I said, make sure that you join the Action Wobbles fan group so you can enter April's challenge. So thanks so much guys. I hope you are having a fantastic week. Happy 1st of April, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.